11 bathrooms on half an acre. Let's take a look at this beauty. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please like and subscribe as we build this channel up. Be great to see a comment too from you. Thanks for joining me. Here we are, La Jolla. And it is a beauty. $16.5 million. You can already see from the beginning it looks impressive. Amazing gardens, a dome ceiling. And here it is. Look at that. A great use of shingles and slate and so forth. And these awesome staircases, big pool. It really is a winner. Let's see if we can pull this back a little bit here and get a better shot. There we have it. What a commanding family home this is. It is a beauty. The ocean here, La Jolla, a great neighborhood and an amazing pool. It's all there. It's the full pad. This is the full house. Look at this light fitting. Impressive. What do we got here? 10-seat dining table. Almost those parquet floors. They're getting pretty close to that. The beams in the ceiling, good. Look at the kitchen view. Look at the light fitting there. Wow, stainless sink. Big steel light fitting. And these picture windows to die for. They are fantastic. As we see out, the dust shot and the pool and jacuzzi. Massive paved area. Box hedge. Lots of shrubberies and stunning views of La Jolla. And then we look back and we've got our own amazing, we'll call it a facade here. Because we can see all the detail in different styles here. Big oval window. Those big picture windows in the kitchen. It simply is impressive. Then you approach the house. The facade at the front. Big porch area. Nice columns. That oval window. And more. Box hedge. Yes, indeed. Coming in a bit of an English feel. Lovely wraparound staircase with lovely timber rail. And then parquet floor as we come through. Lovely front door with a very nice steel door handle. And then through to the views of La Jolla Beach. Fantastic. Oh yes, living room to the right. There it is with a commanding fireplace. Look how high up this mirror is. So this fireplace is sitting tall, standing tall, and we've got sash windows as well. Almost like a cottage style. A slightly raised roof there. Gas heating outside on the portable sense. Some drapes, and back into that kitchen with that amazing tiled splashback. Big extractor. We've got paneled ceiling, almost in a domed style. Then a butler's pantry with this pocket door into beautiful timbers and stone grey, plus a wine cooler as well. Look at the views out. Just impressive. This is another lounge suite area. Looking great. Speakers in the ceiling. Automated home, semi-automated. Nice breakfast area. Views out. It is impressive. Imagine here, family and friends, the whole place is like a compound. Everything here is what you need. $16.5 million, 9,726 square feet, 11 bathrooms, 7 bedrooms. It's almost like a suite. What a wonderful room this is. And then we go upstairs to that arched window, looking out over the sea. Nice indeed. Look at this fireplace, timber frame, stone in the back, and stone set, beautiful carpets, and then a door out to a chandelier. So pretty impressive. Indeed, what a home. Look at that view from upstairs. That's pretty impressive, isn't it? What do you think of that? Pretty nice. That's punched through Art Deco style mirrors and lovely stone bench top with timber. Beautiful tiles through there to the bath area. Speakers all around for that acoustic feeling. We've got a fridge here. We've got this incredible sunken bath, and then a terrace outside. So views of the sea as well. So from the bath, nice indeed. Very impressive. Look at those views. Stunning. This is what you call just about a wet room. You've got a seat here, stone, subway tiles used on the side, a niche there, or a shelf, as some people like to use the name, and then oval mirror, or oval window, I should say, and lots of mirrors reflecting through that view. For the walk-in robe. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? His and hers on the walk-in robes. Your own lift there, so this makes it age-proof. If you want to retire here and have good services up and down the stairs, you can use the lift. Nice wallpaper in there too. Into a theater. This is amazing. There's drums down here too, used as a bit of a sound room. Probably good acoustics in here. We see some digital panels along the front too, but look at the quality of these leather chairs. It is upmarket. Imagine being in there. Love the side lights, the popcorn machine, the big projector, raised ceiling as well. We're into the games room near the pool, or we could call it the pool room. Beams in the ceiling, looks pretty impressive. Imagine the summers here. It would be quite something. into another relaxation room. You can imagine doing yoga here or just relaxing with friends and enjoying the pool. Maybe a teenager's room. The box hedge at the back looks so good. It is an amazing home. Yes, indeed. And how the staircases come down from the back terrace into is this a wine taste smoker's room? Smoker's room here. Wow. Cigars on tap into the wine room, wine tasting. And also a study area as well. And look at the timber paneling. This one has a curve. Very nice. Feels like a little bit of Art Deco going on here. And into this sliding door, quite popular at the moment. And mirror around the fireplace into a bedroom suite. Love these striped, pinstriped chairs. The views out. La Jolla looking so good. And sunken bath. Views to the neighbors. And with the gym area as well. So much to like. Look at this room here. Beautiful double doors opening out to the views. Look at the view. It is simply beautiful. La Jolla showing off as usual. On the way to San Diego, you can enjoy this amazing home. And look at this bathroom. Subway tiles. Views out to the sea. Look at this window here. Pretty amazing. Stone bench top as well in there. And a lovely guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. Remember, there's 11 bathrooms. Love the pitch ceiling in this bedroom. And views out. There's some more names here into the fabrics. And they're using a curtain here as a feature wall. And views out to the garden. That's a nice room, actually. Nice access to the garden. Front gates look beautiful as well with these pillars here. And into a stunning home, for sure. This is an absolute beauty. Look at the positioning. Hedges all around, lots of mature plantings, a great position to the beach, a wonderful porch at the front, incredible door. The shape there is just impressive. Look at that. Imagine arriving home, showing off to your friends. You got this amazing curvature here, and you have lovely sunset, and it is simply beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. What is not to like in this home? It is a commanding property at La Jolla, and there it is, $16.5 million. Merlands Vista Way, La Jolla, California, 92037. At 16.5, half an acre, and it is spectacular. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please comment, please like, and subscribe and hit the bell as we build this channel up. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.